Hi students, I hope all of you are fine in your home. Students, today we are going to study a new part of our social science, that is called our history. Okay, so you can see here, that is in front of you, this is the textbook in history for class 6. So it is a history book. Students, in our social science there are different parts. It is includes history, geography and civics. So history, it is a one part of another book. So students, today we are going to study about our history. So what do you mean by history? First of all we learn, then we will go ahead. Okay students, so first, what do you mean by history? So history is nothing but, students, it is tells about the past. Okay, it is tells about our past. Past means, student, whatever things already happened. Okay, that is called our past, and that past incident we can say our history. So history is not only include our 1 day, 2 day or 3 days or 10 days or 1 year back, student. It is give information more years ago. So means many years ago, many days before. So whatever things are happened, so this is called our history. Understood? And this history is called our past. So we can say past as our history or history as a past. Understood, students? So today we will discuss our this all about our past and history, whatever happened already happened. Okay students, so history means, simply you can say, history refers to past. Okay, so history refers to past only. Past means, student, many years ago. So past we can say, student, yesterday also we can say past, yesterday or many years ago. Okay students, so we can say yesterday, we can say past, and many years ago. Especially students, history means, history as a past, and past means many years ago. Okay, so simply we can say yesterday or 10 days before or 1 year before. So this is also a part of our history, but especially history means many years, long years ago, whatever happened. So this is called our history. Understood, students? Means it may be 100 years ago, 1000 years ago, or 2000 years ago. So these these past time is, we can say, our history. So student, first chapter you can see here, first chapter name is what, where, how and when. And you, all of you know these words, what means, where means, and how means, and when means. So student, it is very interesting fact is, these four words is very related with our past or history. Understood, student? So first chapter is what, if it is our history, or we can say past. Okay, so what, where, where, how and when. Okay student, these four words are including our history or our called past. Okay, means, so these four words are very related with it, belongs to, it means these four words are belongs to our history, or we can say that is our past. Understood students? Means what, where and how and when. So first we will find out what, then where, then how, then when. Understood students? So means many of all of you can hear the words yesterday and day before, last year. Yes or no? In newspaper also or in TV channel also you can hear the word yesterday, or 10 years back, or 10 years before, or 1 year before. So these are including in our past. Okay, so that is called our history. Understood students? But especially history we can say which already happened very many long years ago. Okay, these we can related as a past, or we can say these are our history. Okay, means 2 days before or 1 year before, that is we cannot say history. We can say it is our past, but we cannot say this is our history. History means student our past which is happened many years. Okay, many years ago or long years ago. Understood? So first find out student yesterday. I told you yesterday and last year. Yesterday, last year and a long year ago. So let us see how it can be done. Okay student? So student, first of all what we have to study, what we are going to study, first finding out what happened. Okay, what happened. First of all we will study what happened. Second we will study what can we know about the past. Okay, and third we will study where did people live. Where did people live? So student, you can see here, first finding out the what happened. First what happened I told you, then what can we find out, what can we know about the past. Okay, what can we know about our past, and where did the people live. So these all are belongs to our, or these all are indicates to our past, that is called our history. Past means student, past which is find out. Yesterday you can see student, yesterday you could listen to the radio, watch and television, read a newspaper. Last year ask somebody who remembers. But what about long ago? Let us see how it can be done. Student, one thing you just listen carefully. You can know about the yesterday matters through the newspaper, through our television. Yesterday matter, what happened, you can go through our television, newspaper, you can see. But last year also you can ask someone who will remember the last year whatever happening, and to with whom you went to, you had gone the picnic or some other spot for traveling. You can remember as your friend or any other family members also here they can remember. But what happened very many long years ago? What happened? Can anyone tell you? If you will ask your friend or family members, if you will ask about 1000 years ago or very long years ago, can they give your answer, or can they find your answer? Long years ago means very long years ago. What happened? Can they tell about anything about this long years ago? No. How will we find out? Let us see how it can be done. How it can be done and how we will come to know our past. This is we will come to know. Okay, from this paragraph. Understood students? So first of all listen here. What can we know about the past? Student, first of all, how we will able to know our past? What people, the several things we can find out about our past. to compare with our present life. What the people ate, the kinds of the clothes they wore, the houses in which they lived. We can find out about the lives of hunters, horse farmers, rulers, merchants, priests, crafts persons, artists, musicians, scientists. We can also find out about the games children played, the stories they heard, the plays they saw, and the songs they sung. Okay, that means student, we know our present life, yes or no? So we know the present life, how we are living, how our environment is going on, and how the all the peoples are living in different types of modern society, and they are traveling with different vehicles, they are eating different kinds of foods. So from today's present life we can compare with our past life, and we will come to know how they lived, what kind of clothes they wore, and what the types of houses they in which they lived. And we can find also their living lives of hunters, how they are hunters and how they prepare getting foods at the time, and how the farmers, how was the farmers at that time, and the rulers, merchants, priests, crafts, musicians, scientists, and what are the plays they saw, and what are the song they sung. So these are the different things which will give the information about the past. Then we can conclude, we can find out, and after that we can compare our present life. Okay, to present life to our past life. So that is called our history. Okay, and whatever the things already happened in our past lives or long years ago, so these are called our past things, or we can say our history. Okay, so first of all student, then we will go for where the people live. Okay, where did people live? Nowadays everyone have their houses. Here you have own houses and buildings and different types of houses also there, so we can live. But many years ago how the people were living, we will come to know. Find out the river Narmada on map 1, page 2. People will find out. Okay student, after that we will go. People have lived along the banks of this river of the for several 100,000 years. Okay, it is very important students. Some of the earliest people who lived were the skilled gatherers, and that is people who gathered their food. They knew about the vast wealth of the plants in the surrounding forest and collected roots, fruits, and other forest produced of their food. They also hunted animals. So students, nowadays what we are doing, we are cutting that tree and we are cleaning the forest, and we are making different very big buildings and complex we are making, and we are living. So nowadays especially student, everyone have their own houses and buildings, some complexes they are living. But long years ago, you just think, it is not long years means 10 years or 100 years. You just think 1,000 years ago and long years ago how the people lived. They at the time they does not have any kind of the buildings and complex and some other. They are choosing, at the time they choose the river, the bank of rivers, which is of several 100 years, 1,000 years. Okay, they choose at the time in the bank of the river, means it's very near to river they are living, which is situated. It should be favorable of the forest, different kinds of trees are there, and nearer river should be there, and different nearer forest should be there. At the time they choose this type of place to live their lives, because easily they can get everything from their surrounding, means they can hunt the animals from the forest, they can cultivated different kinds of grains and fruits crops, and they can get also different types of fruits from the forest. So because they search this type of place, because it was very suitable for them. Okay students, understood? So this was the, I will tell you, river Narmada. See student, here this is our Indian map, and this is the sketch map, not a scale map. So only sketch, through sketch this is given, mention different kinds of rivers and places. See student, this is the river Narmada. You can see here student, this is the Narmada river. In long years ago, people choose this type of places to stay there with their family members, because in this place they can find out the different types, they can live happily, and they can get the many things from their surrounding, and they can live with their family easily, because in that place they can get the nearest to forest, and they can get the nearest river for using water, they can get good cultivation of crops. So they choose this type of places to stay in their past. Okay, so means students, this is the Narmada river. So many years ago, people choose this type of place to stay with their families. Okay. Now find the Solomon and Kirthar hills to the northwest. This is the north. This is the east student. This is the west, and this is the east, west, north. This is the south. Okay. So in this, see the find the Solomon and Kirthar hills northwest. This is the northwest. Northwest, the northeast. So northwest, Solomon and Kirthar, you see student. Solomon and Kirthar hills to the northwest. Kirthar, see, this is the hills, Solomon and Kirthar hills in the northwest region. Some of the area where women and men first began to grow crops such as wheat and barley about 80,000 years ago are located here. Means student, if you go to past 80,000 years ago, just think 8,000 years ago. Our lifespan is only 70 years and 60 years. But you just think 8,000 years ago. Means 8,000 years ago, just think student, in this time the women and men first began their grow crops where Solomon and Kirthar, in this region they first started their growing crops such as wheat and barley. Okay, wheat and barley first they grew up here, and they cultivated, and they lived their life. Okay. And people also began rearing the animals like sheep, goats and cattle also, and lived in the villages. In 8,000 years ago, Solomon Hills and Kirthar Hills, they tried to grow the grow of the wheats and different crops, wheat, barley, and the rearing animals like sheep, goats and cattle lived in the village. Okay, in this, on this hills, what are the hills name? Solomon and Kirthar hills in the northwest. First they started their livelihood here only. Understood? Kirthar and Solomon, or Kirthar. Understood? So look at the Garo hills to the northeast and the Vindhyas in the central India. These were the some of the other area where agriculture developed. So first of all student, in our past where the people started their growing the crops, first Solomon and Kirthar, again some of the this is the belongs to northwest, this is the northwest, and this is the northeast, this is the southeast, this is the southwest. Okay, understood? So in first of all they started their crops in northwest regions, In which hills? Solomon and Kirthor. Again we will study about some Garo hills and northeast Garo hills. Student, you see carefully, you look at Garo hills. This is the northeast region, this is the northeast, and this is the north. In middle northeast, it is called northeast region. In the northeast region, Garo hills and Vindhyas in central. Vindhyas in central, you see, you can find out, student, Vindhyas. These were some of the other area. These are the some of the other area where agriculture developed. Means agriculture developed. The place where rich rice was first grown are the north of the Vindhyas. Means in Vindhyas north region, first rice was grown in our past. Understood, student? So this was the some the location in our past, some of the area of our past where the agriculture was developed and animals are reared and different types of crops, means wheat, barley, they grow up. Understood, students? So this is the, it is not only the hundreds years or 1000 years ago, it is 8000 years ago first where the people they started their livelihood and they cultivated different types of grains and crops, and they reared different types of animals like goats, sheep and cattle also. Understood, student? So this is all about the past. We can go through it and we can come to know through our maps. Understood, student? So next class, students, we will discuss trace the river Indus and its tributaries. Okay. So next class we will discuss, we will find out the river Indus and its tributaries. Tributaries means its branches. We will find out where it is located and where it is created. We will find out next class. I hope student all of you understood, and this is the our past and history where the long years ago people are where to live, how was their living life and their lifestyle, and how they were over, and what the clothes they wear, what the things, what the foods they eat. So these all things we will discuss more about the in next class. So thank you, student. But after listening the video, all video very carefully, and try to read the books. How many times you will read the books, you will get some idea about your chapter. So after listening my video, you just go through the books and read 2-3 times carefully, then you will get again a new idea. Understood, students? So I hope all of you understood. So thank you very much. We will see again next class. Take care.